With a market worth of about $850 billion and a purpose to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy through its electric vehicles and energy products, Tesla is one of the world's most massive and monstrous technological businesses. The radically styled and futuristic-looking Cybertruck, which stands out from all other pickup trucks in the globe, is one of Tesla's most identifiable cars. So you're probably wondering where it's made. Does it have an exclusive factory? Let's find out. Welcome to Futured. Today we'll share with you what is inside Tesla's new $1.9 billion Cybertruck factory. Before we do, subscribe to our channel to get updated with everything on future technology, Elon Musk, or SpaceX. Let's get started. When it was first unveiled in 2019, the Tesla Cybertruck made quite an impression on both the audience in attendance and those watching the live stream. All of the presenters wore black trench coats to match the Cybertruck theme of the event. The entire situation resembled something out of a Matrix or Blade Runner film. Elon Musk chose this theme because, according to him, cyberpunk films like Blade Runner were a major influence on the making and design of the Cybertruck. Elon's totally electric truck prototype, which he demonstrated during the presentation, was a daring design. Tesla is preparing to begin mass production of the Cybertruck 2 years after its unveiling. For the Cybertruck, they used a stainless steel exoskeleton body design. So let's take a closer look at Tesla's new $1.9 billion cyber vehicle steel factory, which will supply all of the steel required to build the Cybertrucks. Let's go over some of the important aspects and features of the Tesla Cybertruck for those who are new to it. The Cybertruck is a totally electric truck with 3 different configurations: a single-motor rear-wheel design, a dual-motor all-wheel design, and a tri-motor all-wheel design. According to Tesla, the top-tier tri-motor architecture will be able to accelerate from 0 to 60 in less than 2.9 seconds. This is significantly much less time than most smaller and sportier automobiles. The towing capability of the tri-motor model is 14,000 pounds. Even by most truck standards, this is a lot. The Cybertruck has seating for 6 people, which is unusual for a truck. Typically, trucks can seat 4 to 5 passengers comfortably. The Cybertruck's dashboard features a 17-inch touchscreen, which, like most Tesla vehicles, will serve as the main control center for everything in the vehicle. From the air conditioning to the suspension, everything is top-notch. When it comes to suspension, the Cybertruck will have the ability to lower or lift itself by 4 inches. The outside storage capacity of the Cybertruck will be 100 cubic feet. Other features include onboard power for tools, as well as an air compressor. It can carry a payload of up to 3,500 pounds. That is, once again, a lot for a truck. And if that wasn't enough to make the ideal pickup vehicle, there's more. The Cybertruck has bulletproof windows throughout. These were on display at the unveiling. Granted, the test didn't go as intended when Franz von Holzhausen, Tesla's lead designer and the brains of Cybertruck, broke the window with a steel ball. Elon and the audience at the event both laughed at this. Elon later clarified that the prototype had previously undergone extensive testing before the reveal event, which is what caused the glass to shatter. However, the ball did not make it through, and since Tesla is recognized for perfecting their technology to fulfill their claims, we shouldn't be too concerned. Why is Tesla's Cybertruck made of steel? Some of you who are hardcore car enthusiasts may be asking why Tesla chose stainless steel for its body. Typically, automakers choose to build automobiles out of aluminum. To be fair, Elon Musk's fondness for steel is well known. Stainless steel is also the preferred material for Elon Musk's SpaceX Starship project. With the Cybertruck, Elon is again on a similar path. The Cybertruck will be made of 300 series cold-rolled stainless steel. The steel alloys of the 300 series are made of various combinations of carbon, chromium, nickel, and molybdenum. The steel of the 300 series grade has excellent corrosion resistance, strength, and high temperature resistance. As a result, the Tesla Cybertruck's body will be stronger than conventional trucks. At the unveiling event, Franz von Holzhausen slammed a hammer not only against the glass, but also against the Cybertruck door to demonstrate the Cybertruck's stainless steel body's strength. The 300 series steel also has a high corrosion resistance, thus the Cybertruck will not rust easily. So what exactly does cold-rolled mean? Cold-rolled steel is made in a different way than normal steel. Steel is rolled at ambient temperature rather than being heated to high temperatures. This makes it more pliable. As a result, thin, flat sheets of stainless steel can be produced. The metal's grain size is also reduced by the rollers, making it stronger and smoother. Cold rolling also has the advantage of not shrinking or creeping at room temperatures, has uniform quality, and comes with the ability to model high-precision items. However, this is a very costly procedure that must be mastered before being used in a street-legal car. Other automakers often favor aluminum alloys for vehicle structures because they keep the vehicle's frame flexible and light. The stainless is combined with an exoskeleton design. This is essentially a single-body design. Other trucks employ a body-on-frame architecture, which means the drivetrain drags the body and the bed. The unibody design shifts the stress from the vehicle structure to the exterior skin. This exoskeleton architecture, paired with a simple and sharp design, should help Tesla streamline and simplify the manufacturing process. Steel Dynamics Incorporated is said to be supplying the steel for the Tesla Cybertruck. The Steel Dynamics plant is located in Sinton, Texas, which is only 167 miles from the Gigafactory, Texas. The CyberTruck Factory. The Gigafactory, Texas will be the Tesla facility that produces the Cybertruck. The Steel Dynamics plant's proximity to the Gigafactory, Texas confirms these reports. The cost of this steel plant is expected to be $1.7 billion. This gigantic plant will supposedly produce about 3,000 employment for the local area once it is fully operational, and it is expected to be significantly larger than the ExxonMobil plastics plant in the area. Drone footage of this gigantic steel mill indicates that it is still under construction, but most of the portions appear to be nearing completion. In fact, a substantial portion of the site has already been fitted with machinery. The planned site has grown massively since the work began in Sinton last year. Tesla and Steel Dynamics have not publicly declared a partnership or even confirmed that they are working together, but there have been rumors that Steel Dynamics will provide the steel for the Cybertruck. In an interview with K3 News, San Patricio County Judge David Krebs stated that the $1.7 billion steel plant will not only provide countless good-paying employment to workers in the area, but will also supply the steel that will be used by Tesla to manufacture the Cybertruck. According to a statement by Krebs, some of the other companies that work with SDI will now be refining SDI products a little bit better. We're hearing that one of the companies that were pretty close to probably getting a deal for redoing SDI steel and using that steel in the Tesla cars that they're moving in from California to be manufactured here. So all the rumors and conjecture that Steel Dynamics is the steel provider for the Cybertruck have some merit. They will begin operation soon, which looks to be just in time for Tesla's new plan to start delivering the first batch of Cybertrucks. So when will folks be able to get their hands on the Cybertruck in 2022? Tesla had planned to deploy the Cybertruck in 2021, but after hinting at a possible delay, the company has now stated that the Cybertruck will be released in 2022. Elon Musk predicted that building the Cybertruck would be difficult due to the design of the exoskeleton body, which necessitates an entirely new manufacturing method on the Tesla order page. The new timeframe is also mentioned, with the warning that production will begin in 2022. The coming months will reveal how close Tesla is to mass production and delivery. What do you think about Tesla's massive Cybertruck factory? Are you excited about the launch of the Cybertruck? When do you think it will probably be out for bookings? Let us know in the comments section below. That's all for now. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get updated with everything on future technology, Elon Musk, or SpaceX. Thank you for watching.